All right. So market is open. NASDAQ already came above these highs. We're already seeing like a little bit of profit being taken. Break already on the 1 minute. ES, hey man, we're cracking all-time highs right now. 2 minutes ago, oh wait, you guys can't even see this on the YouTube. 2 minutes ago, S&P hit all-time high. So freaking crazy, bro. But anyways, yeah, I'm looking for some profits to be taken, pushed down in here. Today, I'm really not a fan of just this huge surge from market open, so we're gonna play it a little bit slower today. Okay, we're really gonna wait for prices to come to us. ES was able to break out of this consolidation. We'll see if it wants to come back down for like a little hourly retrace or something like that off of these all-time highs and then continue pushing. NASDAQ, I'm not trying to trade it today just because look, we're in consolidation right here, and if we zoom out even further, in even more consolidation. So not that big of a fan of gas pack. More of a fan of ES. Okay, we're getting legs down on NASDAQ. Do you want someone to design it for looks or function? Looks. I have the functionality stuff already locked in. ES took out these all-time highs, haven't made as much of a move down as NASDAQ. Again, if NASDAQ gives me a setup, I'm not going to take it just because of that consolidation. All right, SPX is making this move down that we wanted after taking out all-time highs. This is perfect. We have 15-minute lows right here for a potential sweep. These 5-minute lows right here. NQ similar, but again, not looking at NQ. It would be nice to make a prediction on NQ so we can improve our trading ability, but if y'all can help me out with this, okay, S&P matched these lows, made equal lows off this. We'll see if it wants to go underneath. All right, ES came through, swept out these 15-minute lows. We'll see what price wants to do. Still kind of watching and waiting on this. We came through and swept out these. We got a break structure on the 1 minute, but I would like a little bit more of a dip. I'm not going to lie. I would like a little bit more of a dip. Right now, I'm just sitting here watching this. We did come down and sweep out these 15-minute lows. Like, I really do want to see more. I want to see one of these hourly imbalances get filled. I do think we still have more downside potential. And maybe that's what we end up like trading off of. Down to here, down to here, down to here. But for the time being, like, this isn't the best price action. The nice thing about being able to zoom out on the 5 minute is to be able to recognize that this is not price action that we want to trade. Versus on the 1 minute, we could get really caught up and see, oh, sweep, break, imbalance, oh, what, you know, like, versus it's like, no. Like, we're literally just bouncing right now. I honestly think that since it's stalling so much, we will probably see downside, and then the PM move will be the entry right here and then to the upside. Like, I think the AM move will be to the downside. So again, like, do I really want to trade to the downside if it's going to be super limited returns, especially if it's only going to get us within here? Like, you know, like, we got to be real with ourselves. And right now, this is just not good price action to even be trading in general. We haven't even broke 5 minute structure to the downside yet. NASDAQ, similar situation. Just look at this. You know, you probably thinking, oh, sweet, break. But in reality, garbage. And like I said, this was likely going to happen because, again, what did I say? Price will probably want to wait for these FOMC speakers. You know, if we have another 30 minutes of really shitty price action, we can chop this up and say, look, I'll be on TradingView later in the day, looking for entries during PM after those FOMC members speak, especially if this is how price wants to act. Like, solid 9-point range. So if we're able to continue this up, then awesome, we can say, perfect, this sweep was what we really wanted. And we'll have this imbalance right here that we can look to get filled. And this is honestly that 1 minute imbalance that is most prominent to me. We have one all the way down here, but not as prominent. So yeah, if we can close up like this, we still have 2 minutes and 30 seconds on this candle. We'll see if price wants to give it to us. Okay, so we broke up there. We have imbalance right here. NASDAQ, similar situation. We broke above these highs. Imbalance down here now. You know, we are up a solid amount. We have this 1 minute imbalance. I would rather we come down a bit more. This is really the spot that I want. Right within here. Okay, and if I can't get that, I'm hands off and I'm not trading. If we close bullish on this and we make this 15-minute imbalance, that'll really be my last leg. But bro, nah, bro, I'm not a fan of this shit. This shit is ugly as fuck. It's really ugly. This 5 minute imbalance right here is what I like. If we can close bullish, I'll look at the 15-minute imbalance maybe, but man, bro, like, this shit is just dicks right now. Literally dicks up. Literally dicks up right now. So crazy. NASDAQ's at all-time highs. Literally, look what the fucking thing says down here. Chips dip, but can they still rip? What the fuck are they? No clue what they're even talking about on that. Like, bro, TradingView, we're not here to listen to poems, alright? Mark Twain, wrap that shit up. You know what's hilarious too? Just on some comedy shit, guarantee you this shit's just gonna fucking sweep and shit itself. That would be so funny. If it was actually an hourly sweep and we just shit the bed. That'd be funny. We've got like 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Really, the ideal would be seeing this get filled in. I honestly think I'm not gonna trade today. Taking this shit one, unless FOMC people can come through in 30 minutes and like 2.5 hours. I'll keep looking at the chart, but I'm done as of today. This shit is really just dicking, bro. Dicking down. Really, the only entry that I see would have been the sweep of this, the break of this, and the fill of this imbalance, and then the reaction right here. Your stops would have been under here, targets up here, but I wasn't a fan of that. This is what I'm waiting for, FOMC, because, man, what are we supposed to do with this? Not much, right? So, I think I'm gonna pack that shit up, at least for today, for the live trade.